We're in South Carolina, Hardyville, right?
Yes.
Celebrating Tammy's birthday.
No.
She's 60.
No, I'm not. I'm not 60.
And you're going to make something, right?
Yes, I'm going to make Tex-Mex burgers with green chilies. All right, so these burgers are going to be a little bit different. We're going to use pork instead of hamburger. And we're going to make a guacamole with Serrano peppers and jalapenos and some green chilies.
That sounds good.
It's going to be good.
All right, stay with us.
And I'm not 60.
So I've got the grill duty today. These are some Hatch chilies that we bought fresh when they were in season. And then we vacuum sealed them and froze them. I mean, we bought a crap load. So I'm just going to char these bad boys up and turn them back over to Tami so that she can make this sauce for these Tex-Mex burgers, okay? And I've got, you can see, I hope you can see, we've got the charcoal direct. We're going to just char them up. It's just been a couple of minutes, right? I got this grill on high. It shouldn't take long to char these guys up. Oh, that's what we're talking about right there. Holy smoke. Yeah, I just want to char them up. Probably another 2 or 3 minutes on this other side. And then I'll get these into Tami. Okay, these things smell good. I don't know if you guys have ever had Hatch chilies or cook with them. They just smell phenomenal. I'd say it's 8 or 10 minutes total. I am not timing. I'm just going by what I think. Okay, got that one nice and charred up. This one's nice and charred up. I think they're going to be, oh yeah, they're looking good. Nope, got the stem there. Yeah, I'm going to get all these off. Better start making whatever this sauce is for these burgers.
So we're going to make some pork patties, and I'm going to mix in some serrano peppers, jalapenos, and red onion. And then I'm going to put the seasoning on them. I don't really want to touch it. Well, I'll clean it later. This is this is called cooter rub. That's Sadie, the super dog. If you don't have this cooter rub, you don't have to use it. I mean, it's just garlic salt and chipotle and some other stuff, so you can always just, you know, season with that. But we're going to use this cooter rub. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these patties. Like I said, I'm going to mix in this red onion and the serranos and the jalapenos into this pork, so I can make patties with that. All right. So once I get these patties made, we'll get back to you on that and put them on the grill. All right. So I'm finishing up my third patty, and I'm gonna get them all seasoned up with this cooter rub here. I think those look about right. All right. So I'm gonna get them seasoned up now. Get them pretty good with this season. Okay. It's kind of sticky. It's been pretty humid. Should I get it all over here? All right. They're all seasoned up and ready to go on the grill.
I am back to doing my grilling duties. Like I said earlier, we're doing direct heat. This old smoky's not too hot. I could have added some charcoals, but I think we'll be okay. All right.
Okay, so we're going to make a sauce to go on top of these burgers. And it's going to have green chilies, Hatch green chilies, cilantro, cumin, garlic, sour cream, and some other things. So I'm going to put it in here, and I'll tell you what it is as I'm doing it. Alright, so there's 4 of the Hatch green chilies, and they've been roasted. I'm go ahead and put those in. This is a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic, and about 2 teaspoons of cilantro chopped. And if you don't like cilantro, then just leave it out. But I like it, so. Alright, and everything else I'm going to measure out for you, so you know what it is. Alright, the sour cream, it's going to be kind of hard to measure, so, but it's about 2 tablespoons. It's in a squeeze thing, so I'm going to have to kind of go with it. Alright, if you have fresh lemon or lime juice, you can use that. We're kind of low on it because we're camping, so I'm using this liquid, but it's a tablespoon. Ah. Sorry about that. This is just red wine vinegar, and it's a tablespoon of that. Go ahead and put that in. Tablespoon of honey. If you have a agave, you could use that instead. Just don't have any. And a tablespoon of olive oil. And that is it. And just mix that up, and then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill while those burgers are finishing grilling. Okay, so I'm gonna make some homemade guacamole. There's 3 avocados already in the bowl. I have some red onion, it's about a quarter of a cup, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 1 full tomato, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic, 1 jalapeno, 1 serrano. And we're going to go ahead and put that in the bowl. Sorry for the paper plates, but we're camping, so you have to make do when you're camping. Alright, now I'm just going to put a tablespoon of lemon juice. I would normally use a fresh lime, but I'm out. And stir that up. Normally I would use like one whole lime. But I've used all my limes in my drinks. So, alright. And then you just kind of have to just smush it up. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. You're just kind of mixing it up and kind of smushing it up. Because avocados are, you know, pretty soft. And then just black pepper to taste. And that is it.
I flipped these burgers once. Grill's not quite as hot as I would like. I did a cook earlier. I mean, they're going to get done, right? But I was hoping they would cook just a little bit quicker, but I should have added some more charcoal. Again, nobody's fault but my own. What I'm going to do here, just to make sure they don't get dried out, just spritz them with a little pineapple juice. I know you guys thought I was going to say bourbon, but nope. Just pineapple juice. Look at the color on them. That's that cooter rub that's browning up for us. I'm looking forward to these burgers that Tami's making with that sauce. It's been about 12, 14 minutes. These guys are up to 143. What I'm going to do now is put some pepper jack cheese on each one, right? These are Tex-Mex. And, you know, we're just going to let it go a couple minutes till this cheese gets good and melty, right? Won't take too long. I want some pepper jack cheese on here. Alright, let's let them go. It's just been a couple minutes. You can see that cheese is all nice and melty. Oh my gosh. Let me get these off here and over to Tami.
Alright, so I'm going to attempt to build this burger. And I'm going to put the guacamole on here and put some guacamole on here. And we're going to put this burger on. It's kind of hot. Alright, we're going to put some of this Hatch Chile sauce. It smells so good. Get some of this Hatch Chile sauce on here. Alright. Kind of messy. Alright, that on there. Alright, we're going to make another one. Because Jeff wants to eat. Alright, let's do this again. Okay. Some more guacamole. Okay. Ah, it's so hot. Okay. Use my fingers. Didn't have my nails done before we went camping. So I apologize for that. Alright. Hatch chili sauce. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay.
How are you going to eat them? They look really big.
I was thinking that too. I don't know.
They look great.
You have a pretty big mouth. I think you can do it. I'm just kidding. I had to say it because
I think it was a challenge. Look at this. This is a burger. Oopsie. Mm. Well, there's a ton of flavor going on here. I'm getting some spice. Who knows? The spice could be from the cooter rub. It could be from the chilies you put in. Super juicy. I'm juicy. Joycey.
Joycey.
Who's Joyce?
I don't know.
Did you bring her?
I know.
Super juicy. Mmm. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. I could get used to not having to cook and just eat like this. Are you going to try it?
Yeah, but I don't know how I'm going to do it.
What is this green stuff you made? Guacamole of some sort?
Yeah, you don't usually like avocados either.
This is good. I think because it has tomatoes in it. Yum.
Alright, now I can probably take a bite.
Oh, somebody else has a big mouth.
Oh, that's really good.
This is one of the top 5 burgers I've ever had.
I like that rub. That's
It's
really
good.
good rub.
Everything about it is good. There's just flavors bursting
Awesome.
every which way.
It's the first time I've tried
Spicy. Not, for those people who don't like hot sauce, this is not hot sauce spicy. But you got the cooter rub going,
that. That's good.
which I think it has cayenne in it, doesn't it? The cooter rub?
Mm-mm.
It's got some kind of chipotle.
Chipotle. Yeah, chipotle.
You got the Hatch, the Serrano you put in it.
Serrano pepper.
Did you put jalapenos?
Uh-huh. Jalapeno.
Jalapenos. And then you got the red onion. So you got some spice going. But that, I guess it's the avocado and the guacamole. And what was the stuff in the sour cream? Is that what it is? Sort of gives it a cooling effect, for lack of better words.
There's like lemon juice
Man,
and
you
stuff too.
really did good.
So did you. You grilled.
You guys think I should bring her on more camping trips to cook us good stuff? Okay.
They're awesome.
They're probably tired of watching this. What do we say now?
So if you aren't already a subscriber, please hit the button.
Subscribe button.
And then there's a little bell. Right?
So that they'll be notified.
Yeah. Right.
You really did good.
So
Thank
did
you.
Thank you.